guys, what's up? It's me, Jolina, and welcome to my channel and also to my first ever YouTube video. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a what's inside my bag or in the bag video. I decided that this would be my first ever video because it's like you getting to know me by seeing what's inside my bag. So yes, without any further ado, let's get into the video. It's my bag. It's black, obviously, and it's a backpack. It has like 3 major compartments. It has like front pocket and 2 major compartments. So yes, we are now going to open this first compartment, which I usually put on my everyday makeup. So first up, I have in here this EB matte lipstick in the shade Sexy Nude, which I usually combine it with this Caroline matte liquid lipstick in the shade Gotta Go. This is from Ashley because she is like the brand ambassador for Caroline. So yes, another one from Caroline. This is a brow gel in the shade Biscuit. And also from my favorite brand, this is from Maybelline. This is a lip moisturizer. And my eyeliner from A1. It is liquid and it is also metallic. Also, again, from my favorite brand and my favorite mascara, this is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Waterproof Mascara. I highly recommend this one. And then, from Maybelline again, this is the blush, Color Show Blush in the shade Fresh Coral. Another one is, this is the Bobbi Brown blush, but I use it for contour, in the shade Sandstone 13. And then I have in here this perfume. It is from my boss, Northeast. I'm not quite familiar with it, but it is too strong. Ang pang meron dito ay gulo ng bag ko. A written note. Also, pesos. And we're done with the first compartment. So now we're gonna go to the major compartment. So inside this major compartment, it has like a smaller compartment. So in here I have this hand lotion from my sister, a ponytail, which I don't usually use, and then a napkin, a vintage mirror, and we're done with the smaller compartment. We're gonna go now to this major compartment. Meron tayong supply, and then perfume from Avon from my sister. This is called Be Artsy. This is body spray. Also have in here my Avon face spray. I don't ko kasi sikat sa Simone. That's why I bought this one. So I have in here my wallet. Binuksan pa ba natin? Sige na. So I have in here James and Nadine photo. I'm a jaded fan. And card and my bank account cards. So we're done with that compartment. So in here I have also $3, and we're done with that na. More written notes, 300 pesos, OR, and 2x2 ID, a ball pen, receipt, written note. May isang gulo. May so magulo. Of like coins. And we're done. My passport size ID. I'm gonna go through this. We're not gonna go through this because it's just basically notes and receipt. I like writing notes, and we're done with this wallet now. I hope we're finished already. Oops, I have in here a ball pen. Oh, it's a sign pen. Also, a flash drive. This is a must. And a paper plate. More coins. And we are officially over, I guess.